What?
It says caution, moose in area.
I know, I hope we see a moose. Okay, so we're just gonna be taking Boulevard down, and then if there's any spots that are sketchy, I'll just stop.
Okay.
And then we can regroup. Good? Yeah. Let's do it. Where'd it go? I just want to make sure they get down periodically. That's cool. Good, they are. How's it going, Cindy? Okay, cool. We're gonna keep going. Do you want to rest? He's right there, behind that guy in the blue. Good. Nope, we have not. This is the scary part. That's where Sean wrecked. So we need to go straight across and not intersect Giggle. Let me double check. See that fence line over there? It's just that one. This right here is gonna be tough right now.
Well, that one's the one that I'm scared of.
Yeah, this one is not really great. So I think anything is better than that. But Rough Rider isn't bad. There's one little dip, but it's short. This one's long. Okay, we're going across. You're gonna have to inch across. This is Giggle Gulch. And then straight around is Rough Rider. Yeah, because this one's real icy right now, so it's kind of a tough. Yeah, we have a new crew back here. That's why we're trying to avoid the Gulch of Death right there. Yes, to the right.
To the right and then come around.
Yes, right around there.
Perfect.
Yes, you're welcome. I'm a little confused.
How do I get down to the base? Or do I have to go down a different one?
I know, that's what I'm trying to figure out. What I think is we have to get down there and where all those skiers are skiing, but right here. And then right over there where the skiers are going right over there, I think that's where you have to go. Because this right here leads to a blue.
Right. This one looks to blue. It goes down to the lift.
You okay?
But the lift, can we go to the left of the lift and it goes down?
I am just not sure. Let me look at the map.
What now?
I'm not a good person to ask for directions.
Easier that way.
Yeah, so I think we have to go down this way, and then where all those people are going slow is where we have to go.
Okay.
Let's do it. We can't go to Seattle. Seattle's scary. Oh, you got this. Let me go check it out and make sure. Maybe the sign for right-of-way is down there.
I don't know.
As long as we're on greens, it's not going to make a difference. They're all going to have the same difficulty parts.
I think Swinger was faster, right?
Yeah, but that means possibly more steep. Nice. See that green sign?
Which one?
Swinger, we have to go around there where that lady in the red jacket's skiing. And then we ski Swinger now, and that's a green. It'll be like the same as Rough Rider. Have you taken Swinger? Okay, let's do it. I'm just scared. I don't want to be the reason we have a
No, it's not your fault. None of us know where we're
injury. Do we need a breather? Okay. Okay, right away.